It's time to dive into Tampa's history. We're heading over to Newman Cigar Company to tour one of the last operating cigar factories in the country.
Hi, I'm Drew Newman. Welcome. Thank you so much.
Hi, Nikki.
Nice to meet you.
It's a really cool looking building.
We're excited to give you a tour.
All right, let's go.
So my great-grandfather, J.C. Newman, founded our company in 1895, and we're a four-generation American family business working to keep the tradition of handcrafted cigar making alive here in the cigar city of Tampa, Florida. The cigar industry built Tampa and fueled its economy, and anyone whose family's been here for a few generations, their ancestors rolled cigars or cooked lunches for the cigar workers or made cigar boxes or printed cigar labels or were connected to the cigar industry in some way. At its peak, Tampa had 200 cigar factories that made more than 500 million cigars by hand every year. So welcome to the basements. Basements are very unusual in Florida because of our low elevation, but every cigar factory in Tampa had a basement because the constant climate down here is perfect for aging tobacco. Here in the basement, we also have our cigar vault, which is the world's largest collection of old cigars.
Oh, the smell hits you the second you walk in.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
In this cigar vault, we have cigars that date back to 1857.
Those are the ones shielded over here?
Exactly. And so these cigars predate Tampa, predate our company. They spent 150 years at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean. But you can still smoke them today if you wanted to.
Whoa.
Please have a seat. I was just cleaning up. I think we had a cigar rolling class yesterday, and it's, all right, paste is here. This is the Ecuador Havana seed wrapper tobacco, the same one that Hector was working with. It is soft, it's very delicate. It's a natural leaf. What's funny is the tobacco, when it's grown, tobacco is a beautiful plant. The plants they grow to about 6 feet tall, and the leaves are very thick. If you touch a tobacco leaf on the plant, it's thick, it's gummy, it's got lots of oils, and through the curing, the fermentation, the aging process, all the moisture in it evaporates. Our only goal as a family is to keep Tampa's historic cigar making tradition alive for another 4 generations and